What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made 10.4K today trading NQ futures. Um, but before I get into that, let me just show you guys the proof real quick. So here it is, bottom left 10.4K. I'm also requesting a 12K payout for this month, so that's crazy news. But the evidence and information to that will be in my Discord. So if you want to see that, just check out my Discord, the link down below. But anyways, to the trade recap, we shall go. So I'm pretty sure everyone and their mom today was very bullish, and so was I. But I did take a short today, just seeing how. Well, first of all, I can't remember what it was. I believe we had like a daily gap. So if we go to the daily time frame real quick, we had this daily gap that obviously I thought was going to get filled, right? Everyone thought it was going to get filled. So unfortunately, that gap didn't get filled. We actually just dumped down for whatever reason, but it happens. Sometimes like you project your bias into the market and it doesn't play out. So you got to adjust and be more flexible with what the market gives you. Anyways, we just went down. So we kind of projected off this 1 hour gap actually. As you can see, seems like 6:30 as soon as the market opened, we just like kind of shut down and we stay like that, till then. Anyways, I did take two trades today. One of them was a break even and the other one was obviously a win. I took it off this 15-minute, let's see, where was it? Let me show you guys like in real time actually, so it's much better and easier to follow and just see what I was thinking at this moment. So this right here was the daily gap that I thought we were gonna go tap, but instead we went down. So I took it off a 5-minute, sorry, a 15-minute gap. So it was a 6:45 candle. It was this one right here. So here we form a 15-minute gap. At this point, sure, we've already shut down quite a lot. As you guys can see, we kind of just, kept going down. Didn't even retrace back up actually, and it was kind of hard to see, what to target in this case. But I did like us, trying to fill out these levels of liquidity over here. I believe I targeted a 15-minute gap though, if I'm not mistaken. Fuck, what did I target? We'll get to it later. But back to the trade thing. I took this 15-minute gap. So basically what I did was, so you guys can see, we get a tap into the gap, right? And I wanted to enter after we inverse this 1-minute gap right here, after rejecting the 15-minute gap. So my entry was just us, rejecting off the 15-minute gap and inversing this 1-minute gap into lower. That lower being this level of liquidity, and I believe that level of liquidity was just a, let's see, boys, let's see. Maybe, I think I targeted this gap right here, actually. I think I targeted this 15-minute gap. So that was it, yeah, right? Yeah, so I targeted this 15-minute gap. Untapped gap, pretty easy target after seeing us just dump down the entire day. This was like kind of a no-brainer. So as you can see, we kind of reject off this 15-minute gap through these next series of candles, and eventually you'll see us inverse. But before I do that, let me just put like, I think my stop was somewhere along the lines of just, to, let's see. My stop was, I think my only stop was this 1-minute gap at 7:33 to protect us from going any higher. But I just entered off, this break because the draw was just super clear. Usually I wait for like a inverse retest and then a break down below again. But when the draw is just too clear and it's just like too strong of a movement down or upwards, it's like you kind of just have to enter as soon as we inverse the gap. So I entered there, and as you guys can see, we just dump down to my take profit, just like that. And very easy day today. Again, gonna request $12,000 on my Top Steps and Alpha Futures accounts. So once I get that, I'll post the screenshots on my Discord. But very simple, easy day today. Just another day of just like, okay, well, my pre-market bias was wrong. Of course, I wanted higher, but just seeing this dump lower, and having like the necessary context of why we're going lower, then obviously you can always just catch a trade for a lot of money. So that was that.